Come and get it, Pa.
What we got to eat, Ma?
Hominy grits, hog jowls, possum pie with chitlins, and corn pone and sour belly.
Ma, you're the best cook in the world.
Best cook in the world?
Ma, I just love you to pieces. Okay, Ma, bring on the victuals.
Why, Pa, you didn't leave nothing for me. You eat like a big hog. Here's some pig sausages, Pa, and it's all we got left.
You're the best cook in the whole world, Ma.
Shucks, Pa, it ain't nothing.
You're beautiful, Ma.
I'll get us some coffee.
I'm hungry, Ma.
If you want any more, you go out and shoot it.
That's just what I'll do. I'll shoot me a turkey or a possum or something. Darn women must be touched in the head. What in tarnation's the matter with you, Ma?
Well, you started it.
Ain't so. You started.
I didn't. You did.
I did not.
You did, too.
I didn't.
Hey, knock it off down there. I'm trying to get some sleep.
It's that darn woodpecker.
Give me that gun, Pa.
They got cut off in my youth. Oh, I'm going fast. It's getting dark. Pay attention to this acting, folks. I should get an Oscar for this. Oh, goodbye.
Meat on the table. Some carrots, some turnips, salt and pepper, and we get woodpecker pot pie.
I can hardly wait to eat that woodpecker pot pie. There ain't no more pot pie, Ma.
You big hog, you had it all.
I did not.
You did, too.
I did not.
You did, too.
Did not.
You did.
Didn't.
Did. Pa, there's the woodpecker.
It's his fault for all the feudin', fightin', and fussin'. Ma! I swear that varmint's around here somewhere. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dead red and whiskers is always getting me in trouble. I'm gonna shave them off. You're the prettiest thing in the whole world.
Shucks, Pa. I don't. Masher!
Hold on, Ma. It's me, Pa. I done shaved off my whiskers.
Land sakes, Pa. I didn't know you from a blue-nosed mule.
How you like it, Ma?
Sakes alive. You look just like when we was married.
Oh, I do not.
You do, too.
No, I don't.
You do.
I do not.
You do.
No, I don't.